In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a background in Affinity Photo. We'll keep the subject crisp while softening everything behind them for a clean, professional look. Start by opening your image. Head to the File menu and choose Open, then pick the photo you want to work on. As a best practice, duplicate the layer you plan to edit so you always have the original to fall back on. You can do this quickly in the Layers panel. Working on a copy keeps your workflow flexible and non-destructive. Next, we need to tell Affinity which part of the image should stay sharp. Choose the Selection Brush tool from the left toolbar. With this tool active, paint over the subject you want to keep in focus. Take your time around edges, faces, clothing outlines, and especially hair. Use the Add mode to include missed areas and the Subtract mode to trim any overreach into the background. Zoom in as needed for accuracy. If the edges look rough or the subject has flyaway hair, click Refine. In the Refine dialog, use the refinement brush around tricky areas so the software can better detect fine detail. A touch of smoothness or feathering can help blend transitions naturally. When the subject looks cleanly selected, confirm to return to your main canvas. Right now, the subject is selected, but we actually want to blur the background, so invert the selection. Go to Pixel in the top menu and choose Invert Pixel Selection, or use the shortcut Ctrl or CMD plus Shift plus I. You should now see the selection marching ants around the background instead of the subject. With the background selected, it's time to apply the blur. In the Layers panel, locate the mask layer linked to your working layer and make sure the mask is active. Then open Layer Effects, the FX button, and choose Gaussian Blur. A radius slider will appear. Increase the radius gradually until the background looks soft but still believable. Aim for a depth of field feel rather than an obviously artificial blur. If you notice halos along edges, lower the radius slightly or return to Refine to improve the selection. Subtle incremental adjustments usually produce the best results. When you're satisfied, toggle the effect on and off to compare before and after. You should see a sharp subject that stands out cleanly against a tastefully blurred background. This simple approach is fast, clean, and easy to repeat on any portrait or product shot where you want the viewer's attention right where it belongs.